This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming drivers and CUDA are matched to your GPU. This matters because mismatches break tuning. Next, install Python packages and the Nvidia tuning toolkit. You need a runnable environment. Once done, prepare a representative dataset and a baseline model so the tuner measures realistic performance. Run a quick smoke test training pass to verify data I/O and GPU occupancy. This immediate validation saves hours later when the tuner begins. Now you configure the tuner with a focused search space. Pick batch sizes, mixed precision, and relevant kernel or memory flags, narrow ranges to save time. Choose a tuner strategy like Bayesian for efficiency or grid for completeness, and set limits on trials or wall time so tuning finishes. Make sure logging, checkpoints, and a fixed seed are on so you can reproduce results. Once configured, launch the tuning run and monitor early metrics to catch bad configurations fast. When tuning completes, compare the top configurations to your baseline on latency, throughput, and any accuracy trade-offs. You want practical gains, not just micro benchmarks. Deploy the chosen config in a full validation run, save the exact config file, and document changes so you can roll back. If tuning fails or yields odd regressions, check for driver or CUDA mismatches, out-of-memory issues, or an overly broad search space. Then narrow parameters. Rerun a short tuning pass and iterate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.